I'll never forget a homeowner who came to us after another company told her she needed nearly $60,000 in foundation repair. That kind of number is overwhelming. It can make you feel like your whole world has been turned upside down. But when I evaluated her home, I found no foundation repair was needed at that time, and I didn't recommend any work. To clear up the conflicting opinions, I suggested she hire an independent, third-party structural engineer for a full, objective review. After the engineer completed his inspection, the verdict came back. No repairs were needed at all. The homeowner went from thinking she had to spend nearly $60,000 in foundation repair to having certainty and peace of mind that no work was needed. Now, here's the important part. Even though we didn't earn her business that day, we were genuinely happy for her. Because for us, it's not about pushing a project. It's about making sure homeowners like you get the truth and the right solution, even if that means no work at all. She later shared that our honesty gave her peace of mind, and that's what we want every homeowner to feel when they call us.